Okay, so this is your basic Kanban board. You've got 3 columns: to do, doing, and done. Now, to add a task to a column, you press the little button, the plus button at the top, like that. Then you enter a task title. So, for example, my task today will be make video for Kanban. I can choose a task type and I can add to these. So I'm going to say this is quite urgent. I can estimate how long it's going to take, so it's quite a small task. I can give it a priority, a couple of stars. I can assign it to an owner. So I have all the people that are on this board in this workspace, so I'm going to assign that to myself. Task description is make a video about personal Kanban. Okay, so then I can add that. So that adds a task here. I can open this and I can make comments. So the comments, I can add an attachment if I want to. I can set a deadline. So if I set a deadline of tomorrow, March in 2014, I can add subtasks if I want to, and I can also delete it, and I can also subscribe to it, so I know when it's moved. Right, so making a video for Kanban, this is it. So at the moment I'm doing it, so I'm going to slide it across into my doing column, and when it's completed, I'll put it into the done column, like that. So at the moment it's in doing. So to add another task, I need to, let's say, contact all PLs about Kanban. That's a task, assign that to me. Task description, make sure I turn off the phone while I'm doing this. Task description is a write email as required. I don't need to fill these in, but I will do. So if I had that one, there's another one there, so I can put that into doing as well. No deadline for that one. And so that's it really. Very simple. You can add other columns, you can email the board with tasks. So for example, if I have a task in my email system, I can email that to the board as well. And that's it. So as these are done, we slide them across, and that's it, pretty much. Okay, thanks. So if there's any questions of another task, ask people with questions to email me. So I can add that one, and that's a doing. Now, if you'd like to look at this is my workload board, for example. I'll go to my, this is my workload, and you can see, have a look at that. I have a few more columns. So I have inbox, which is if someone sends me something with attachments, I can email the board, and all the information from that goes into the inbox column. I can collapse these by clicking on this arrow. So I have to do, all of these things to do, like email, bidding process, meet Russell, etc. So each one of those is a different task. I have something called a daily sprint, so all the things I'm going to do today, which obviously I haven't done, we put into there, and then doing and done. And at the back of this, the back end, you can look at reports on what's been done. So we have a workload chart, how many tasks I've done over different months. We also have task distribution, which should come in a second. So we'll show you tasks by type, so meetings, business development, new project. Tasks by owners are all me because it's my board, etc. And that's it really. And that's it. Okay.